let's agree that the visibility of these droplets is very poor. So let's talk about how to set up a semi-light box in order to properly visualize our droplet edges on the digital microfluidics. Over here, the camera is positioned vertically. We found that the best way to get a good picture is to tilt the camera forward. So now that it's been tilted at this perhaps 20 or 15 degree angle, so the chip has been recentered, and once you refocus, you can already see your droplets a lot better than you used to. However, this is not where it ends. So this is just a colored board. I position it at the far extrusion and let it rest on the camera. And then I use a shine light at the board so that it can reflect it back down onto the surface of my chip. If I use an aluminum surface to reflect light, all of a sudden the image is very diffused. So the point is really to have a colored surface that goes all the way to the end of your path. The edges are now clearly visible. If you zoom in more, then your droplets will be even easier to see. When your large droplets are visible, I found that my small droplets are also visible. Here we have it. Thanks for listening.